Meaning of divertimento.
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 Divertimento. Divertimento is an Italian noun that is often translated as amusement, entertainment, or diversion. It refers to a light and enjoyable composition, usually for chamber ensemble or orchestra, that is meant to be entertaining and pleasant. The term originated in the 18th century, when aristocratic audiences would commission composers to write music for their private parties and gatherings. A typical divertimento would consist of several short movements, each with its own distinct character and mood. Today, the term is still used in classical music to describe a genre of light-hearted instrumental music.